Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have just one item from Mannequins.shop. And let's see if I can get their logo into view here. Mannequins.shop. Okay. And let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Actually, this is kind of a large box, so we're unboxing this in the hallway. So I might be in view here. Hopefully don't spoil the focus too much here. Let's see. Uh-oh, it's got a ton of packing peanuts. We're going to be making a mess here today. All right, let's do it. Or at least I'll get it into view, because you may not be able to see it if I take it out. Okay, so we have something marked Form Metal Base, 2 of 2, 2 pieces. Let's toss this out of the way. It's probably part of a vertical portion. And, oh boy, I'm going to dig into here. And this is what we got. Here's the other portion of the base. Obviously a flat platform type item. Let me toss this out of the way. Okay. Anything else in here? Yeah, actually, we've got a limb. So we are going to do an unboxing. I'll probably do another quick video on this once it's assembled. Another limb. Looks like hands. So obviously we have a mannequin here, but I only ordered a torso size 1 due to space storage restrictions here. Not tight on space, so I wanted to be able to compress this one down. So let's see if I can at least get this out of this wrap here. I packed up my knife, but easy to unfold. You can see where the extension piece would thread into that portion. So get this off. All right, there is a head. Let's see if I can get that in the view here. This appears to be some sort of representation of male. Arms would attach to these sockets here. Ready to be clothed. So, all right, how we doing? All right, just a quick unboxing video from Mannequins.shop. Let's see if I can get their logo again back into view. There you go. So, they do have actually quite a variety of mannequin-related items, so Mannequins.shop. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.